ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. శివాది శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. So today, as we assemble here to celebrate or observe the Sri Rama Navami, many of you may have heard, I came here in 2007, June 17, third Sunday of the month, wearing a jeans and not allowed to go inside the Guru Kutira. And I came here, sat here, and Swami came here and we started doing the Ramanama Japa. So that I thought is the introduction of Ramanama or the mantra into me. Very important. Guru's Tapasakti is the voice form of that Tapasakti is the Rama mantra. Rama is a Mahamantra, Saptakoti Mahamantra, Buddhi Brahmana Karaka, Eka Eva Parva Mantro, Rama Ityakshara-dvayam. That is what the Shastras say. So Rama, without any doubt, beyond all doubts, is the most potent mantra. So what I thought of doing today is, I actually took 600 days from there, 17th June 2007 to 5th of February 2009, to kind of come with something I call Samanvaya, or a proper understanding of the Tattva, the Suddha Tattva, which is known as Rama to all of us. So this process is typically called as a Vidya. Vidya means which will take you, lead you to wisdom, to know, knowledge. So which takes us, a process that takes an ignorant person to the Tattva or the knowledge is known as Vidya. So this is the Vidya known as Rama Vidya. So where is this Rama Vidya? Vedavedye Parepumsi Jate Dasarathatmaje Veda Prachetasadaasit Sakshat Ramayanatmana. So when the great Paramapurusha took a form of Rama and came on to this earthly world in 21st Mahayuga of this Kalpa, and in the Prachetasa or Valmiki's words, Prachetas Asit Sakshat Vedaha. Veda itself has come down to us as Ramayana. So Rama as a Nama, Rama as a Rupa, Ramayana as the Veda. Everything is establishing, describing, giving us the same Rama Vidya. Rama Vidya in each layer is related to the Rama. But there is a vast scriptural knowledge. Ramayana itself is very large, 24,000 slokas. Then there is a Maharamayana, 36,000 slokas. And there is a Adhyatma Ramayana, which is another same number of sargas, not that large, but few thousand slokas, but very deep in meaning. So if we have to know that Rama Tattva, all this literature is there. Rama's external journey as Ramayana, Rama's inward journey as Maharamayana, Rama's spiritual description, Sakshat given by Shiva, Guru Swarupa, is Adhyatma Ramayana. So how to get this whole thing into a smaller capsule for somebody like me to comprehend? That is where Guru comes. In our Guru Parampara, Shankara Bhagavad-pada has created several stotras. One of it is known as Sri Rama Bhujanga Prayata Stotram. Most of you may be familiar with, but my small attempt today is try to go through this Rama Bhujanga Prayata Stotram, and it has a very interesting falasruti at the end. It starts with a wonderful opening. It takes a devotee, a seeker, a practitioner through the Rama Vidya to conclusion. So just 29 slokas, so 27 primary slokas, last 2 slokas can be considered as Falasruti, are the meaning. That is the subject that we are going to go through. Sri Rama Jai Rama Jai Jai Rama, Sri Rama Jai Rama Jai Jai Rama, Sri Rama Jai Rama Jai Jai Rama. So this stotra starts, Visuddham param Satchidananda Rupam Gunadharam Adharahinam Varenyam Mahantam Vibhantam Guhantam Gunantam Sukhantam Swayandhama Ramam Prapadye. So Ramam Prapadye. Rama is the in whom I am taking refuge. Prapadye, Prapatti. But what is this Rama? Vishuddham Param Satchidananda Rupam. Vishuddham, ever pure. Param Satchidananda Rupa. Param Parandhamam. Supreme. Beyond all this, what you say. Who is qualified as Sat Chit Ananda. Satchidananda Rupam. Of the form of Satchidananda. Gunadharam. For all these things, what is the Adharam? Gunas. Prakriti demonstrates the gunas, and from the gunas all the causal body, subtle body, gross body, all those things will come. We will go through. In this itself all the description is given. But the basis for everything is now called gunas. For gunas there is a adharam. That is gunadharam. Adharahinam. There is no other basis for that God or for that tattva. Adharahinam. Varenyam. Tatsavitur Varenyam. What is Varenyam? Varenyam is one who is selectable by everybody. Everybody is only choosing him in one form or the other. Choosing that Param only. In ignorance they are thinking that this is the worldly matter. This is good for me. I want. So everything that is being desired is actually Rama only. Varenyam. Mahantam, Vibhantam, Guhantam, Gunantam. So Mahantam, great person. Vibhantam, the glowing, glorious person. Guhantam, this Guha, Hridaya Guha, who is Antam inside. Antam is end, Antam inside. So the poetry here, it says Mahantam, Vibhantam, Guhantam, Gunantam. So Antam, Param, beyond the qualities. We said Gunadharam, Gunantam. So the Sukhantam. Sukhantam means not the end of Sukha. The peak of Sukha. The peak, whatever, the maximum, highest bliss, Sukhantam. Swayandhama. He is having his own Dhama. Swayandhama, Dhama, basis or the support. Self-supported. Swayandhama Ramam Prapadye. So this initiates an individual into the Prapatti Marga or going into surrender to the Rama. Then immediately, so 3 slokas, first 3 slokas is the description of Rama. Sivam nityamekam vibham tarakakhyam sukhakara makara sunyam sumanyam mahesham kalesham suresham paresham naresham nirisham mahisham prapadye. Wonderful poetry again. Sivam, auspiciousness. Nityam Ekam, Sivam Nityam Ekam Vibhum Lord, Tarakakhyam, known as the Taraka Mantram or Taraka, one who delivers us or takes us from here to there, Tarakakhyam, Sukhakaram. He is having the Akara of Sukha, bliss only, Satchidananda, Ananda is Sukha here, Akara Sunyam. Immediately, when we say there is one akara, immediately people start imagining an akara. Shankara will cut that off, saying that no. Sukhakaram, even though Sukha has no akaram. Akara sunyam. Sumanyam. Mahesham, great Lord. Kalesham. Kala is transformations. All kalas. Chandra kalas, which grows and diminishes. Isham of that. So, moon is warned by Guru, our Shiva. Kalesham. Suresham, Paresham, Sura, gods, all gods, Lord of God, Paresham, Paramatma, Naresham, human, he has born as a Naresha, king. Nirisham, there is no God for him. Mahisham, Mahi, earth, Ishvara of this whole earth. prapadye. Again prapadye. So two slokas. Third sloka. యదావర్ణయత్ కర్ణమూలే అంతకాలే శివో రామ రామ రామేతి రామేతి కాశ్యాం తదేకం పరం తారక బ్రహ్మరూపం భజేహం 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 భజేహం. సో ఈ సేయింగ్ నౌ యదావర్ణయత్ కర్ణమూలే అంతకాలే ఇన్ కాశ్యాం, ఇన్ కాశీ, if some devotee's end of life is coming, at that time Shiva comes. Karnamule avarnayat. What he says is Rama 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 iti. Yada Rama Rama Rameti. 3 times Rama Rama Rama. By the numerology Rama 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 is 1000 names. Same thing in the Vishnu Sahasranamam also we will get. Sri Rama Rama Rameti. Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Shiva is telling Parvati. Same Rama 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 mantram, that is the Taraka mantram. Shiva as Guru gives this mantram in Kasi. Tadekam param Taraka Brahma Rupam. That param Taraka Brahma Rupam, that mantra, tad ekam, that one, bhajeham, 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 bhajeham. That is what we are all doing. So these 3 slokas are the Paratattva of Rama. Having said that, that doesn't mean that we can't do the puja something like this. We have put on Maharatna Pithe, Subhe Kalpa Mule, we have done worship. There is a worth in it. So immediately Sankara comes. Maharatna Pithe, Subhe Kalpa Mule, Sukhasi Namaditya Koti Prakasham, Sada Janaki Lakshmanopetamekam, Sada Ramachandram, Bhajeham, Bhajeham. Again Ramachandram, Sada Bhajeham, Bhajeham. I always pray to that Ramachandra. Where he is? Maharatna Pithe, Subhe Kalpa Mule of the Kalpa Drumam. Kalpa Mula. Kalpa is Kalpa Vriksha. Kalpa Mandara Mula, Amandara Mula, Amandara Mala. Again we will get the same reference to the Kalpa Vriksha. At the base of Kalpa Vriksha, Sukhasinam. In the Sukhasana he is sitting. Aditya Koti Prakasham, 1000 suns Prakasham. Sada Janaki Lakshmanopetam Ekam. Janaki Lakshmana, always together with Janaki and Lakshmana, but he is one. Ekam. He appears to be 4 brothers, Shakti, everything, but he is only one power. Ekam. Sada Ramachandram Bhajeham Bhajeham. Then, for a male god, Tantra says you have to Padadi Kesantam. You have to go from Padas to Kesam. So, that description is coming. The form description. How Rama is. Kvanadratna Manjira Padara Vindam Lasan Mekhalacharu Pitambaradhyam Maharatna Harol Lasat Kaustubhangam Sadat Nadat Chenchari Manjari Lolamalam. Nadat Chenchari, Nadam. The Nadam is coming from the Chenchari Manjari in the anklets, on the ankles, whatever is worn by Rama. That is giving Nadam. All Nadam comes from there. Nadat Chenchari Manjari Lola Malam Maharatna Harolasat Kaustubhangam. His body is bright with the Kaustubhamani in the Maharatna Malas. Lasan Mekhalacharu Pitambaradhyam. He is wearing a Pitambaram. And Kvanadratna Manjira Padaravindam. That Manjira Padaravindam is coming there. That Manjari Lolamalam. So the Nadam is coming from his ornaments. Sachirama. Lasachandrikasmera Shonadarabham. Samudyat Patangendu Koti Prakasham. Namat Brahmarudradi Kotira Ratna Spuratkanti Nirajana Radhitangrim. So at his feet, there are the Kiritas of Brahma and Rudra Adi. Brahma, Rudradi, Kotira, Ratna. Their Kiritas, Kotira, Ratnas are giving Nirajanam. Like the way we do the Harati Nirajanam. What light is giving Nirajanam to the Ratnapetha of Rama is the Kiritas of these other gods. Pura Pranjali Ranjaneyadi Bhaktan. So his sitting is done. He is sitting like this in the, like he is looking like this, 1000 sun, all these things. Who is there? పురః ప్రాంజలీన్ ఆంజనేయాది భక్తాన్ స్వచిన్ముద్రయా భద్రయా బోధయంతం భజేహం భజేహం సదా రామచంద్రం త్వదన్యం నమన్యే నమన్యే నమన్యే. సో శంకర కంక్లూడ్స్ ద సాకార వర్ణన ఆఫ్ రామచంద్ర. సో ఇన్ ద విద్య we understood we are aiming at that highest param brahma swarupa tattva swarupam that is described, but to reach there the starting point is actually worshipping bhajana worshipping, elaging, all those things of doing the standard puja of that supreme god in a form. Then immediately he goes into a prarthana. So here we have completed 7 slokas. 8th slokam. Yada matsapipam samipam krutantah sametya prachanda prakopai bhatair bheshayan mam. In case yada, whenever matsamipam krutantah, to near to me, Yama will come along with Sametyaha Prachanda Prakopai Bhataihi, along with his bhatas, his attendants. Bheshayan mam, he will be creating fear in me. Tadavishkaroshi Twadiyam Surupam Sadapat Pranasam Sakodanda Banam. At that time, your auspicious form you reveal to me, which will give you sadapat pranasam. Always all apadas are pacified by that form. Sa kodanda banam. He always comes with kodanda and bana. There is no Rama without a kodanda. Always Rama will be with a kodanda. He is ever ready to protect. He gives his protection, unconditional protection to whoever goes and says, I am yours. Prapadye, one who surrenders, he will give the protection. निजे मानसे सन्निधे मंदिरे सन्निधे ही प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रभो रामचंद्र स सौमित्रिणा कैकेयी नंदनेय स्वसख्या अनुभक्त्या च संसेव्यमाना. So he is requesting, now the devotee is requesting in Shankara's words to Rama, start. Yes, you just signal me. Nije manase mandire sannidhehi. In my Nija Manasa Mandira, I have a mandira inside. You come and stay here. Sannidhehi. Give me the sannidhanam. Or be stay here. Prasida Prabho Ramachandra. You be auspicious, Prasida to me. Prabho Ramachandra. Sa Saumitrina, not alone. Along with Saumitri, means Lakshmana. Kaikeyi Nandanena, Bharata also. Swasektya, your Sekti, Sita Devi also. Bhaktya acha samsevyamana. All these people are worshipping you with bhakti. So around you, everybody is worshipping you with that bhakti. That worshipping form, you come and stay in my mind. In Nije Manase Mandire Sannidhehi, come here. स्वभक्ताग्रगण्यै कपीसैर महीसैर अनीकैर अनेकश्च रामप्रसीद नमस्ते नमोस्तु ईश्वर नमोस्त्वीस रामप्रसीद प्रसाधि प्रकाशं प्रभो मां प्रसाधि प्रकाशं प्रभो मां enlighten me. By living in there, what you should do, you should enlighten my whole being. How? Swabhaktagraganyai, your own bhaktas are there. I don't need to be. He is not seeking bhaktas like me. He has bhaktagraganya of Kapisa is there. Hanuman. Bhaktagraganya. Mahisai, so many kings are his bhaktas. Mahisair anikair anekaihi. The groups of kings, several groups of such kings are worshipping you. So Rama Prasida, Namaste, Namostvisa Rama Prasida, Prasadhi, Prakasham Prabhomam. Give me that enlightenment, give me the Prakasham. Tvamevasi Daivam Paramme Yedekam Suchaitanyame Tatvadanyam Namanye Yato Bhudameyam Yadvayutejo Jalorvyadikaryam Charancha. Now he is Tvamevasi Daivam. So you are the only God. Why? Paramme Yadekam. This word Suchaitanyam is an important word here. Suchaitanyam, the right consciousness. Suchaitanyam. Chaitanyam, everybody is having more or less. Without Chaitanyam, nothing moves. That Suchaitanyam is the right Chaitanyam which recognizes the supreme beyond all the moving reality or all the moving states of consciousness. Suchaitanyam etat tvadanyam namanye. There is no other than you, which is that Suchaitanyam. Yatobhud ameyam viyad. This ameyam, incomprehensible, viyad, the space, vayu, tejo, all panchabhutas and their karyam. Charancha, acharancha. There are so many unmoving and moving beings around it. All these are Tvameva Asi. You are the God, Lord, for all these things, including the panchabhutas of gross world and everything. So these 4 slokas until 11, this is the internal enlightenment stage. Recognize the greatness of that great Rama. Then he goes to the Namaskaras. Nama is one of the Pranavas. Shastra says there are Pancha Pranavas. Maybe lot of Shastrajnas are here, they may know. There is one main Pranava is called the Pranavam Omkaram. There is Swahakaram, Swadhakaram, Vashatkaram. These are Vashat is Tantrika Pranava. Swaha is for the yajnas that are happening down there. Swadha is for the Pitru Devatas. Vashat is the Tantrika Pranava. And 5th one is called Namaskara. Namaskara is the 5th Pranava. By Namaskara we renew. Pranavam is to renewal. We renew the relationship with that whichever we are Namaskaram flying on the other side. So, Namas Satchidananda Rupaya Tasmai Namo Devadevaya Ramaya Tubhyam Namo Janaki Jiviteshaya Tubhyam Namah Pundarikaya Takshaya Tubhyam. To you, again, Namaha Satchidananda Rupaya, Namaha Devadevaya, Namaha Janaki Jiviteshaya, the life force behind the earth. Namaha Pundarikaya Takshaya, the purifying power of everything. Namo Bhakti Yuktaya. Namo Bhakti Yuktanuraktāya Tubhyam Namah Punya Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam Namo Veda Vedyaya Chadyaya Pumse Namah Sundaraya Indira Vallabhaya. Namaha Bhakti Yuktanuraktāya Tubhyam. Who is having that bhakti? In that bhakti, who is having rakti? Such people, all the Bhakti Yuktanuraktāya Tubhyam. So, who that bhaktas, anurakti is there. So, the God has anurakti towards the bhakti. Such God, Namo. Namo Punya Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam. Only attainable through punjas of punya. Punja means groups, samuhas, huge quantities of punya, not little bit of punya. So Janma Janmantar punya is required to get Rama Bhakti. So Punjaika Labhyaya Tubhyam Namo Veda Vedyaya Chadyaya Pumse. He is in the beginning and only known through the Vedas. Veda Vedyaya Chadyaya Pumse. Such Paramatma. Pumsa Purusha Purum Paramatma. Namas Sundaraya Indira Vallabhaya. Great, beautiful and Indira Vallabha. Namo Vishwakartre, Namo Vishwahartre, Namo Vishwabhoktre, Namo Vishwamatre, Namo Vishwanetre, Namo Vishwajetre, Namo Vishwapitre, Namo Vishwamatre. So Namo Vishwakartre, one who is creating everything. Vishwahartre, one who is consuming everything. Vishwabhoktre means Hartre is killing, Bhoktra is eating. You kill and eat. What way? Why will you kill somebody? Kill, take, Bhoktre. Namo Vishwamatre. Matre here is actually the measurement. One who can measure this world. Namo Vishwanetre. One who observes the Vishwa. Everything in the Vishwa. He knows everything. He is a much before anybody's mind is going to move, Rama knows. So, Vishwanetre, Namo Vishwajetre, he has conquered this world. Namo Vishwapitre, father, Namo Vishwamatre. Fatherly control, motherly affection, both Rama. Namaste, Namaste, Samasta Prapancha Prabhoga Prayoga Pramana Pravina. Madiyam Ghanastat Padatwanda Sevam Vidhatum Pravrutum Suchaitanya Siddhyai. Again Suchaitanya. Again comes namaste, namaste, samasta prapancha, three things. Prayoga, prabhoga, pramana, pravina. So prabhoga, he can enjoy the ownership, lordship. The definition of lordship is here. Who is a lord? One who can enjoy it for himself, or prayoga, he can give it to others. You enjoy. So he has that power to prayoga, giving it to others. Pramana, measure this. Who can measure this? How big? No one can measure. That even our bhotakasha cannot be measured. They are sending rackets after rackets. They are going. They are still, akasha is there. There is no end for this akasha. This whole akasha can be measured only by the God. Such akashas, several akashas are there in one chidakasha. Such, that is the chidakasha rupa. These bhutakashas, chittakashas, each of our individual mind is also infinite. The outside world is also infinite. Nobody can measure. There is only one measure, the pramana, pravina. And he is not only just capable, he is specialized in all those things. Prabhoga, prayoga, pramana, pravina. That is the Lord. So with this, all the namaskaras are over. 15 slokas we have come to. Then he comes to Charitra. Means Rama, Rama's Tattva, Rama's Rupa, and Rama's Charitra, which is Ramayana. Silapit Vadhangri Kshamasangirenu Prasadadhaidha Chaitanya-madhatta Rama Narattatvadandat Seva Vidhanat Suchaitanya-metiti Kinchitramatra. Again Suchaitanyam. This word is coming continuously. The thread need to be catched. We need to catch on to that thread. Silapi, Ahalya, Silabhutam. She has become Jadibhutam. Tvadhangrikshamasangirenu. By your Pada-dhuli, the dust at your Pada, with that Prasadat, the Prasada of that Pada-dhuli, Chaitanya-madhatta Rama. She has got the Chaitanyam by this Prasada. But Naraha, a person, Tvat Padadvandva Seva Vidhanat, by worshipping your Padadvandva, the holy feet of you, Suchaitanyam etiti kinchitramatra. What is wonder in somebody who is worshipping your lotus feet to get the Suchaitanyam, the highest realization? There is no chitram. Pavitram charitram vichitram tvadiyam narame smarantin anvaham ramachandra bhavantam bhavantam bharantam bhajanto labhante krutantam napasyantatonte. So Pavitram charitram, your charitra is purifying. It is pure and it is purifying. Vichitram tvadiyam, it is wonderful. The vichitram is wonderment. It gives the wonderment. Tvadiyam naraye smaranti. Smaranti, a nara, a person, who is continuously contemplating on it. Anvaham, smaranti, anvaham Ramachandra, O Ramachandra, bhavantam, bhavantam, bharantam, bhajanto. Bhavantam, he is the end of bhava. Bhavantam, born. Bhavantam, end of end. Bharantam, who is holding. So, creator, Bhavantam, destroyer, Bharantam, the holder. All the three, Brahma, Shiva, Maheshwara and Vishnu. Bhajanto, Labhante, Krutantam. Krutantam, Ante Krutantam, Napasyantata. So, those people who are doing this Charita Smarana, they don't need to see, or they don't have to see, they can't see something called this Mrityu. Death is not there. One who realizes body falls, but that attachment, identity with the body is gone. So death is not for the self. So death is not seen. Sapunyas saganyas saranyo mamayam narovedayo deva chudamanintvam sadakaramekam chidanandarupam manovagagamyam parandhama Rama. So Sapunyaha, he only is virtuous. Saganyaha, he only is countable. Means you need to give some reverence only to that. Who is that? Saranyaha, he only is the Saranya, our Guru. Mama ayam naro, a person, Veda, who knows. Yo Deva Chudamanim Tvam. You are the Chudamani of all the divinities. Deva Chudamanim Tvam. Sadakaram Ekam. Of the true form, Sat Akara Ekam. Chidananda Rupam. Sadakaram Ekam. Chidananda Rupam. Mano Vag Agamyam. It cannot be comprehended by mind. It cannot be told by vak. Agamyam Parandhama Rama. So this is the description of a Guru, Sapunyaha. Who is Punya, who is Ganya, who is Saranya for me? Is that one who realized Rama. Which is fortunately we have that Guru Velu. Prachanda Pratapa Prabhava Bhibhuta Prabhutari Veera Prabho Ramachandra Balante Kadah Parnyate Tivata Ativa Balye Yato Khandi Chandisa Kodanda Dandam. So Prachanda Pratapa, your Pratapa cannot be described easily. Ativa Balye, in very young age, you have broken the Chandisa Kodanda Dandam Yato Khandi. You have broken the great dhanas of Shiva. Dasagriva Mugram Saputram Samitram Saridurga Madhyastha Raksho Ganesham Bhavantam Vinarama Viro Narova Surova Amarova Jayatye Katrilokam. In all the three worlds, other than you, let it be, it is Sura or Amara, God or king or whoever he is, Dasagrivam Ugram Saputram Samitram. It is not just only Ravanasura. Ravanasura with his sons and his friends and his allies, everybody has been removed. That represents our Ahankara here. That can only be removed by the God Rama. We cannot fight. All that the Brahmadi Devatas, the positive energies in us, have to go and request Rama. You please come and kill this fellow. And when he accepts that, he will come and kill. That is how it is. This is the Charitra. So till 20th sloka, now from that 15th, about 5 slokas, Rama Charitra, Rama's Charitra's greatness we have seen. After that, Shankara goes into really Nama Mahima. 2 slokas he will say in Nama Mahima. Sadarama Rameti Ramamrutante Sadarama Mananda Nishyanda Kandam Pibantam Namantam Nudantam Sudantam Hasantam Hanumantam Antar Bhajetam Nitantam. So Hanumanta, what he is doing? Sadarama Rameti Ramamrutante Sadarama Mananda Nishyanda Kandam. So what he is doing? Pibantam, he is drinking. Namantam, Sudantam Hasantam, with good teeth, beautiful teeth, Hasantam, he is smiling. Hanumantam, Antarbhajetam Nitantam. I pray to that Hanumanta, who is your Bhakta. And again, I am also doing. Again, same 2 lines. Sadarama Rameti Ramamrutante Sadarama Mananda Nishyanda Kandam Pibannan Vaham Naiva Mrutyo Bhibhemi Prasadat Tasadat Tadaiva. I am now praying Sadarama Rama. I am only doing the Ramamrutante Sadarama Mananda Nishyanda Kandam. So that Nishyanda Kandam I am doing. Pibannan Vaham. I am always doing this only. Naiva. I don't have any fear of Mrutyo. Mutyor Nabibhemi. Prasada Asadat Tadeva. That prasada of this Rama Amrutam that I am drinking and I am Smarana. Mrutyor Nabibhemi. I am not going to have any fear of the Mrutyu. Then in 3 slokas, negative reaffirmance. Other than Rama, there is no other God. This goes like this. Asita Sametaihi, Akodanda Bhushai, Asaumitrivanjai, Achanda Pratapai, Alanke Sakalai, Asugriva Mitrai, Arama Bhideyai, Alamdaivatairna. There is no other Devata who is not having Sita next to him, not having Kodanda with him, not having Saumitri with him, not having great Pratap, Achanda Pratapai, Chanda Pratapam. When he is having the anger, nobody can stand in front of him. Not even a god. Now forget the Rakshasas. No one can stand in front of him in war. Achanda Pratapai, Alankesha Kalai. Lankesha Kala. Kala means death. Death of Lankesha. Asugriva Mitrai. one who is not having Sugriva as Mitra. Ramabhideyi, one who is not having a name called Rama. Alam Daivatairna, such God is not there. I don't care, there is no such God. Avirasanasthai, Achinmudragadjai, Abhaktanjaneyadi Tattva Prakasai, Amandaramalai, Amandaramalai, Aramabhideyai, Alam Daivatairna. Again he is saying, who is not sitting in the Virasana, one leg down, one leg in the closed position. Achinmudragadjai, one who is not having the Chinmudra. Abhaktanjaneyadi Tattva Prakasai, one who is not giving the Tattva to Bhakta Anjaneya Adi Bhaktas. What Rama is doing? Rama is always giving the Tattva Prakasham with Chinmudra, Dakshinamurti Swarupam. Rama himself is Guru. Rama Vidya's Guru is Shiva. So, Amandara Mulai, Amandara Malai, not at Mandara Mula. Mandara Vruksham is a Kalpa Vruksham, Kalpadruma Vruksha. Amandara Malai, one who is not wearing the Mandara Mala. Mandara is not the flower what we see Mandara. Mandara is a Kalpa Pushpam, Kalpa Vruksha Pushpam only. Amandara Malai, Arama Bhideya Ramnai Daivatamina. Without the name of Rama, there is no God. Asindhu Prakopai, Avanja Pratapai, Abandhu Prayanai, Amandasmitadjai, Adanda Pravasai, Akhanda Prabodhai, Arama Bhideya Ramdaivatainam. One who is not terrorized the Sindhu, means the ocean. He has said, I will put the Avanja Pratapai. His Pratapai has been Vanja by everyone. Everyone surrendered to him. Abandhu Prayanai. So another wonderful quality of Rama. Rama will not go alone anywhere. He goes along with support. Either he goes with Vishwamitra, or he goes with Sita Saumitri, or he goes with Sugriva Hanuman, or he goes with a huge army of Vanaras. Nothing but our thoughts. Thoughts represent these Vanaras basically. All these Vanaras follow him. Once he starts going, everybody follows him further. Adanda Pravasai. In Dandakaranya, the place luckily we are in, this is all Dandakaranya. Pravasai, one who has not gone to this place. Akhanda Prabodhai, he himself is Akhanda Prabodha. Aramabhideyi Ralandaivatarna. So we have come to 25th sloka with this negative. So means I take onto this Rama, I don't consider anything not called Rama as God or being existing itself. So that reaffirmation. Hare Rama Sita Pate Ravanare Kharare Murare Surare Pareti Lapantan Nayantam Sadakalamevam Samalokayalo Kayase Shabandho. So Hare Rama, name, Sita Pate, another name, Ravanare, another name, Kharare Murare Asurare Pare Iti, all these names. Lapantam Nayantam Sadakalam Evam. One who is attached, one who is drawn by these names, Sadakalam Evam. I am that one. With all these names, I am worshipping you only. Samaloka Yaloka Yasesha Bandho. You are the Asesha Bandhu. You are the relative to everyone. Asesha Bandhu. Samalokaya Aloekaya. Look at me with peace. Samalokaya Alokaya. Again and again, 2 times request. Namaste Suputra Sumitra Suputra Bhivandya. Namaste Sada Kaikayi Nandanedya. Namaste Sada Vanaradhise Vandya. Namaste Sada Ramachandra. So I am bowing down again. Namaste, Namaskaram, Pancha Pranavas again. Sumitra Suputra Abhivandya. Sumitra's Suputra Abhivandya, one who is being bowed down by them. Sada Kaikayi Nandanedja. Always Kaikayi Nandana is also doing Kirtana, Edya. Namaste Sada Vanaradhise Vandya. Always the Hanumanta is at your feet. Namaste Namaste Sada Ramachandra. Such Ramachandra, Sada, I bow down. So now next 2 slokas are considered to be a Falasruti. And also the first sloka is also a request. Prasida Prachanda Pratapa Prasida Prachandarikala Prasida Prapannanukampin Prasida Prabho Ramachandra Prasida. Be auspicious towards me. Prasida. Prachanda Pratapa Prachandarikala Prapannanukampin prapanna, one who has bowed down to you, anukampin, you will remove all the problems from them. Prabho Ramachandra, Lord. This is the last piece. Here what Shankara actually puts there is no other sloka, at least in my knowledge, which gives a falasruti like this. It says, Bhujanga Prayatam Param Vedasaram Muda Ramachandrasya Bhaktya Chanityam Pathan Santatam Chintayan Swantarange Sayeva Swayam Ramachandras Sadhanyaha. So, I don't know, there are many scholars. Is there any other stotram or vidya which says one who recites this will be Swayam Ramachandra, he will be Ramachandra. Bhujanga Prayatam, this is the Bhujanga Prayatam. Bhujanga Prayatam is the way it is put in such a way that Asita Sametai. So basically it looks like a serpent going. Bhujangam Prayatam is going like that. So Asita Sametai, so the two laghus and one guru will come. Asita Sametai, Akodanda Bhushai, Asaumitri Vanjay. So whenever we say this is Bhujanga Prayatam. Param Vedasaram. All Vedas are there in here. He is describing. Shankara is telling this. I am not saying. Param Vedasaram Muda Ramachandrasya Bhaktya Cha Nityam. Muda, with happiness. Ramachandrasya Bhaktya. Bhakti. That is another ingredient. Nityam. Nityam is not daily. Always. Always in that chintana. Always in that smarana. Pathan santatam chintayan swantarange. In the antaranga, one who is doing the pathan, santatam, chintayan, with the consciousness. It is not that only speaking. So, trikarana suddhi. The pathan, actually work is happening. In the mind, the association is happening. And muda, the ananda is being felt. Santatam, chintayan swantarange, sayeva. He alone. Swayam Ramachandraha. He is called Ramachandra. He will become Ram. He is Ramachandra. He will not become Ramachandra. He is Ramachandra. Sadhanyaha. That is the Sakshatkara of Rama. So that Sakshatkara has been got by our Guru. That is the potency of the Rama mantra that is given here. Anyone who came here heard Rama mantra from the Guru's voice. It has entered that, with that potency has entered each individual. All that need to be reconnected continuously to become, you will not become anything else other than Ramachandra. That is the Falasruti. So, this is the Param Vedasaram. So, the Rama mantra, I will take another 2 minutes. Probably I have taken much longer than what is allocated to me. Another 2 minutes. So the Rama mantra, Sri Rama, Jai Rama, Jai Jai Rama, is having these 3 components. If we look at Sri Rama, Jai Rama, Jai Jai Rama, that Sri Rama represents the Sri Ramayanam, which is Valmiki Ramayanam. Jai Rama represents the Vasishtha Maharamayanam. And the final Jai Jai Rama represents the Adhyatma Ramayanam. So putting these 3 Ramayanas together into Sri Rama, 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 Sri Rama, Jai Rama, Jai Jai Rama, the Jayam actually represents all that what we see in the Mahabharatam. The Krishna's Charitra and whole of Bhagavad Gita, the teaching, is the Jayam. So this 13 Akshara, Trayodasa Akshara Mahamantra, if you cut it short, Ram, Jai, if it will become 7 letters. Either 7 or 13, the potency of this 3 times Rama, Rama, Rama is 1000-fold, multifold, and it has the capability of several crores of janmas, the papa to be removed. And punya need to be focused like a laser light to get that realization of own self as that Varabrahma. And such a teaching, such a Guru Parampara, we are all fortunate to have been in this Kali Yuga, 28th Kali Yuga, 5128th year today of this Ramanavami, where Rama, according to Yoga Vasishtha, 21st Yuga, Treta Yuga is Rama. So there are 7 Mahayugas have passed. there is one Dwapara Yuga and there is a Kali Yuga, 5,127 years have passed, and 28th year of this Sri Parabhavanama Samvatsaram we have entered. As soon as we enter the Chaitra Navaratri, Rama Navaratri, the Navaratris, in the last day with Punarvasu Nakshatram, Rama's appearance is celebrated. He don't have birth, there is no birthday to celebrate. It is an opportunity for all the bhaktas to reconnect with this Paratattva of Rama through the Guru's directed Veda Vihita Vidyas to realize that highest. So we are very fortunate to be in this world when Ramakatha is there, Gurus are there to teach that Rama Tattva and give the assurance that I have done this and realized. You all also can do this and realize. And such a great opportunity to speak here. I thank all the administration of this Hamsashramam, because this ashramam will give this sabha this opportunity to share some of our thoughts, our feelings, our opinions about this mantra and Rama, all this. With that, again bowing down to Swami Virajeshwara Saraswati, Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya, Swasti.